Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do a no makeup look inspired by glass skin. This is going to be complexion focused and it's going to be quick. So if you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to look put together and rock that glowy complexion, this video is for you. If you've been watching my videos and maybe forgot to subscribe, make sure to click that little button and notification bell. I've been posting videos weekly and I do everything from makeup, hair, and DIY. So welcome to the community. If you want to learn how to achieve this glass glowy looking skin, then keep watching. Okay, so we're starting off with prep skin. This is a really important step that you should not skip. Just prep it with skincare, take care of your skin. If you were wanting it to stay put all day, I would suggest a primer. I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth. I am going to focus it on the areas where I need the most smoothing, so just where you can see pores. Moving on to our coverage product. This is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC+. I absolutely love this for daily wear, and it makes me feel like I'm wearing something that is actually good for my skin and that it's improving the look of my skin. So this does have SPF 50, but I highly suggest that you use SPF separately because you need a certain amount of SPF for it to protect your skin from sun damage, and you don't want to pile this on too heavily. I'm gonna use a damp sponge to blend it in. I like to use my fingers first to kind of spread it out and blend it halfway, and then I just go over it lightly with the sponge so that I don't lose a lot of coverage. Now that it's all blended, I'm moving on to concealer. I have the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. If you have dry skin, I suggest the moisturizing one. So I did add concealer to kind of highlight as well, but I did not add too much because I want this look to be lightweight. Since we're going for glowy skin, you can go ahead and skip powder, but you can find a powder that does not mattify the skin. So I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Translucent Powder Duo. There's a matte side and a glow side. It does help set everything in place. I have the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I use Ash Brown, and I also use the Eyebrow Powder Pencil. I start by kind of drawing in hairs, and then I outline the bottom, outline the top. Now that everything's outlined, I use the powder pencil. If we want to make this a quick and everyday look, you can use kind of multi-purpose products. You don't have to contour if you don't want to, so I'm going to use a glowy bronzer. This one is by Milani. This is the perfect bronzer if you just want a glow from within look. So I am keeping it kind of high on the cheek because I don't want to drag my cheeks down. So now for blush, this is another affordable option that is great for like a peachy pink glow. This one is by Essence. It gives you a more natural flushed look if you apply a little bit on your nose as well. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. This is one of those highlighters that I can use and blend it in so that it looks like I'm glowing from within, and it's not like a fake glow, right? Where you just see a straight line of beaming light. I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow. You can actually just use your bronzer, and I am smudging it on my top lash line and a little bit on the bottom as well. So you see the difference is just going to soften up your eyes but still add definition to where the lashes are. I'm going to take a little bit of my face highlight and put it in my inner corners, and then just do your mascara as you usually would. I recently got my hands on these Kosas Lip Oil. It's like a little set. They feel really nice on the lips. They don't feel sticky. They nourish because it's a lip oil, and it just gives a very natural look. My favorite is the nude pink. We're going to finish off the look with some setting spray. Just do not use a matte one. We want to keep the glow to the skin. So here's a close-up of my skin. As you can see, there is very much of a glow all over. If you have dry skin, this is a really nice look because your skin stays moisturized and supple throughout the day. That is it for my quick, glowy, glass skin makeup look. I hope you found this helpful. You don't need to have all the products, all the tools, and all of the steps in a makeup routine to just make it look good and nice and youthful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing a skincare routine in terms of prepping the skin before this look. That should be out very soon. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to share, leave a thumbs up or thumbs down, and leave a comment down below on what are your favorite products for glass skin or glowy skin. I am always looking to kind of modify and just see what's out there and what works for dry skin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.